Sam, your host, your Energizer life coach and stress manager. I've come to manage all your stress, honey. I don't want to see no tears. I don't want to hear about no pity party. I don't want to hear, Miss Sam, I'm going through the struggle. Well, guess what? I've been going through the struggle from the day I was born. And that is a serious story within itself, because when I was born, they wanted to pronounce Miss Sam dead. Can you imagine that? Me, dead. Oh, the devil is a liar. So the nurse gave me one slap on my ass because she didn't want to lose me. And guess what? I knew from then that I had a voice to be heard. Yes, child. And I started crying, and to God be the glory. Look at me now. Jesus, I love you. On a serious note, I can't help it. That's why I'm the Energizer. I'm full of energy. Energy. That's who I am. And I need to give you all some. Some of you are so sorry ass and pitiful out there. And I mean that. And I say that with respect and love. Because I've been there myself and was a sorry ass at one point. Many years ago. But you know what? You got to brush yourself off. You got to reposition yourself. And you've got to embrace life. Now, today's topic, real quick, is called reposition. That is a topic for today. As your Energizer, reposition. Repositioning yourself is a good thing, because you cannot stand still in the same place forever, because you'll get nowhere, honey. Move that ass. Shake that ass. Reposition yourself. And don't quit. Do not give up. Do not be disheartened. Things will change for you if you change your mindset. Think about the things that you do have and be grateful. Then the rest of it will come. Start saying daily affirmation and positive ones for things to change. Because listen, do you know you own the universe? God didn't create you to suffer, not to have things. He created you to control things. So why the hell you ain't controlling things? Why things are going east, south, and west? Come on, people. Take back your life like I had to take back my life. Because if you saw my life 25 years ago, you'd be crying. You'd say, Miss Sam, you're a hot mess. Well, guess what? I agree with you. I was a damn sorry-ass hot mess. But look at God now. Look at me now. Leading 13 countries across the world in entertainment. If you don't believe me, go and check us out on MSE TV Network. Subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, baby. I'm leading an army, and it doesn't stop there. Yeah, but I can't give away all my secrets right now. But let me tell you, I am here with you in the struggle. Shit, if you want to talk to me one-to-one and get some sessions, WhatsApp me on 407-723-9831. Let you get out of this pity party. You can be successful. It's how bad do you want it? Are you willing to come out of your comfort zone and reposition yourself? Let me tell you, about 23 years ago, I was homeless. Can you imagine? Homeless. I said I was in a woman's shelter. Yes, due to domestic violence. I'm no longer a victim. I am a survivor and an overcomer. I am an achiever. Yes. You understand what I mean? But I had to go through the struggle in order to be a testimony, in order to be talking to you right now. So, baby, get your energy levels up there like I had to do. Because if I didn't do that, I would have failed. And one thing, Miss Sam, do not deal with is failure. It is not an option right now. So today, reposition yourself. Talk positive affirmation. Take it one day at a time and reposition yourself. I'll talk to you next week, Sunday. Same time, same place. Love you.